You know what it means when a new package arrives. It's time for an unboxing, and I'm really excited about the one that we're gonna be unboxing today, right after the intro. Hey there, underwater image makers, welcome back to the channel and today's quick unboxing video of this little package here that I just received in the mail today. Now, the thing that we're going to be unboxing here today is a underwater video light, a light from LetonPower. LetonPower is a manufacturer of rather affordable underwater video lights and light systems, and they reached out to me a couple of weeks ago asking whether I was interested in trying out one of their lights and doing a review about them here on the channel. And since I've never used their lights before, but I saw them on other channels and from other people using them, and the feedback or the sort of comments that I saw from people that had been using these lights, they were all very positive. So of course I was like, yeah, of course, send me over a light and I'll be more than happy to test it out and make a quick review about it here on the channel. So they did, and this is the package that I've received, and we're going to be unboxing that in a moment. Before we do so, I just want to make sure to mention that this video is not sponsored, it's not paid by LetonPower. The only thing that they are doing is or that they have done is send me this this light. There's no obligation or anything with that delivery. I can just test it out and see if I like it, and if I do, then do a product review here on the channel, which I'm going to be doing anyways, regardless of what my impression is of the light. But let's get to today's video, which is not going to be the review yet because I haven't tested it, but it's going to be a quick unboxing and I want to see what the light looks like and sort of get a first impression. So let's get to it and let's see how we can open this package here. We're just gonna unwrap and open it here. Now, as I said, I've never really used, or not really, I have never used LetonPower lights before. Up until recently, I wasn't even aware of that brand, to be quite honest. But then I saw a couple of reviews and sort of first impression videos online, and there's some people that have just talked very highly about their LetonPower lights, specifically because of the cost to value ratio with these lights. They are apparently that ratio is very good because the lights are rather cheap, affordable, and you do get quite a bit of power out of these lights. So this is the box. As you can see, we'll open it up and see what we can find inside. And once we open it, oh, look at that. It actually does come with a nice little heart case. That's actually nice. Dive into deep love. Well, let's hope that this is gonna be that dive into deep love. We'll open that up, and this is our LetonPower SeaLion L24 light. I think it is, if I remember correctly. So let's see what's in here. So we have like a little lanyard. We obviously have the light itself. Does it say? Yes, it says here SeaLion L24, so that's their 12,000 lumen underwater video light. You see all the different LED panels that are built in here. It also comes with different colors, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And I guess if we open that up, look at that. The battery is already installed there. That's an interesting looking battery. It's just not as wrapped as batteries from other manufacturers. You've got 3 cells in here. You've got, oh, this is interesting. You've got an USB-C connection, so you can charge that light with a USB-C cable, a standard USB-C cable, which is really handy. So let's just put that aside here for the moment and see what else is in here. We have some accessories here, which is some spray roll rings. There's some silicone grease. There is some spray roll rings, an Allen key, And there is obviously also the ball mount adapter and a screw for that. What else? And then we have a USB Type A to USB Type C cable for charging the light, and a little instructional manual in different languages on the light itself, the functions, how to use it, all that sort of stuff. So that's pretty clean, I think, from a packaging standpoint, and it includes everything that we want to have here. Now let's see if that light actually is working, if the battery has any juice in it, and just see if we can get it to work. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, it's already working. So as soon as I closed that up, it started working right away. So this is our light there. I haven't really looked into how to actually use the light. I'll do that once I get it in the water, or before I get it in the water for the first time. But from a first perspective, aluminium case, looks nice and solid. It looks like this light is actually capable of taking a bit of a beating. Let's see how it looks when we attach the ball mount onto it. There's a standard ball mount adapter, nothing special about it. So this is your light, the SeaLion L24, as it looks with the ball mount attached. It's, as I said, a 12,000 lumen light. It comes with a color temperature of 6,500 Kelvin. Which is rather on the warmer side, and it has a color rendering index of 90, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And then you have different settings there. Let me see, if you press it long, I guess this is the way to turn it on. Yeah, then you turn it on. Whoa. And you got your different levels. So you got 3 different levels that you can choose in between. And then I think you got some different lighting options there with different lights. Okay, we'll have a play with that. Oh, so this is your white light, and this is all the colored light. This is interesting. So you can have the white and the other lights at the same time. Interesting. And now we have just the white light again. Okay, cool. So yeah, first impression, solid build, easy to work with only 2 buttons on the light itself. And when we open it up, it's really easy to open up. And we have, I think if I wasn't mistaken before, look at that, now it's stuck in there. Interesting. Okay, and we have a double, you can see it here probably, we have double O-rings for extra security. They're already greased, so they're actually good to go. Yeah, nice. And I think that if you don't want to have the ball mount on there, you can also put this little screw in there, and then you can attach the lanyard onto here, so you have it as like a sort of dive torch rather than a video light. Not bad. So first impression, it's pretty good. Now the price of this light, I don't know by heart. I'll put it on the screen somewhere, but from like what I remember, it is very reasonably priced. So yeah, I'll looking forward to testing this out, seeing what it how it performs underwater, what the light quality is, the fall off, the light fall off, the width of the beam, all that sort of stuff. I'll get to that once I do my proper review of the light. But the first impression is it's good. It's also nice and light. So the shell itself is not very heavy, which makes it much easier for traveling. So that's actually pretty light, and then your battery will have to go into your hand luggage anyways. Yeah, nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Looking forward to testing it more. If there's any questions, if you want me to test anything specific with the SeaLion L24 Underwater Video Light by LetonPower, let me know in the comment section below. And that's it for today's quick unboxing video. If you do want to learn more about the importance of using underwater video lights on your dives, then do go and check out this video over here next. And other than that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for your time and for watching. Have an awesome week, and don't forget to capture all those amazing underwater adventures of yours.